All right, here we're going to go over how to add a network to your Metamask wallet. Okay, so first, what we're going to do is I'm going to take you back to the beginning. So let's go here. You are now at the home screen of your Metamask wallet. You will then click on this button in the top right hand corner. You will then say add network. You will then type in Avalanche. We're adding the Avalanche Network, so we're going to add Avalanche Network. Your RPC URL is https://API .avax .network /BC/RPC. Chain ID is 43114. Your ticker symbol or your currency symbol is AVAX. AVAX. The network chain ID is 43114. It may use a different currency symbol that the one you have entered. Please verify before continuing. So we're going to put it there. This portion is optional, but we're going to put no trace in here, so we're going to put https://snow trace, one word, .io. And then we're going to save. You have now added the Avalanche network to your Metamask wallet. And this allows you to have cheaper fees, gas fees. Okay? Now we have Avalanche Network has successfully been added. This is your confirmation, and now we are done. You have now added Avalanche to your Metamask wallet. Hope this was helpful. See you on the next one. Peace and blessings.